everyone. So this is my first video on my YouTube channel, and I am very excited to share my knowledge, and so I will start with a very informative video that is related to courses that students are searching to start in 2025. So I was randomly searching what are the courses that we can pursue in 2025. So I got a course that is Generative AI. As you all know, AI means artificial intelligence. So many of you may be knowing what is artificial intelligence. Maybe you guys must be knowing what is generative AI also. So I'll start with the basics, that what is generative AI and what all you can study in that, and what are the platforms from where you can pursue this course. So before pursuing this course, you should be knowing what are the things you will have to learn, and what is the meaning of generative AI. So if you will know this, then it will be a little easy to understand all the things that you will learn. So now we can start with the basic of generative AI. So it refers to a category of artificial intelligence systems designed to create new content such as text, images, audio, or even videos by learning from patterns in existing data. These systems are typically powered by machine learning models like deep neural networks, which are trained on large data sets to produce outputs that resemble the data they have learned from. The key features of generative AI are many. So, the first one is content creation. It can produce human like text, like we write the text, it can produce like that. For example, ChatGPT that generate images also. And the second one is DALL-E, and even compose music or design 3D models. The second one, which is adaptability. So, generative models can be fine tuned for specific tasks or industries, such as healthcare, example, creating synthetic data for drug discovery, or marketing, example, generating ad content, the ads. The third one is versatility. So versatility is applications range from creative fields to scientific modeling, such as generating realistic climate simultaneously. So now we'll see how it works. So generative AI often employs a model like networks (GANs). That is two networks, a generator and a discriminator, work together to produce realistic data. So these give us real data. The second is transformers. Models like GPT and BERT that excel at processing sequential data like text and learning context from it. The third is diffusion models, used for generating high quality images, as seen in tools like DALL-E, like we saw, I said in the above one. The applications which they give is text, the first one, chatbots, content creation, and summarization tools. The second is images. In images, you can get digital art, product design, and image editing also. The third which you get is audio and video. Speech, that is speech synthesis, dubbing, and creating virtual influencers. The fourth you get is simulation, that is creating synthetic data for training AI systems or testing scenarios. Now, generative AI is industries by enhancing, creating, automating tasks and solving problems in innovative ways. So it solves problems in innovative ways that we cannot even think of. However, it also raises ethical concerns such as copyright issues, misinformation, and bias. You can learn in the course of generative AI. Generative AI courses are designed to teach you the principal techniques and tools needed to understand and build AI systems capable of generating contents like I said before also text, images, and audio. These courses often cater to both beginners and advanced learners with a focus on practical applications and hand-on projects also. So key topics covered in a generative AI courses are first one is foundations of AI and machine learning. In this, we can learn the basics of deep learning, neural networks, and supervised, unsupervised learning. And we can also learn in this about introduction to natural language processing (NLP) and computer vision. The second is generative models. GANs, that is generative adversarial networks. In this, we'll learn that understanding how generators and discriminators work together. We'll also see in this about variational auto encoders, that is VAEs. In this, techniques for creating compressed representations of data we learn. The next is transformers. In this, we'll learn about models like GPT, BERT, and how they are used to text and image generation. The third one is tools and frameworks. In this, we learn the Python libraries. In Python libraries, there are TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and Hugging Face. In this, APIs and tools like OpenAI's GPT, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusions are also there. The fourth one is applications. In this, generating images, text, and musics are there. So, fine tuning AI models for domain specific tasks, example chatbots or custom image generation. The fifth one is ethics and challenges. In ethics and challenges, we learn about bias and fairness in AI, in artificial intelligence, handling copyright, data privacy, and misinformation. That is there. The sixth one is the projects. In that, we can learn building a chatbot, generating synthetic images, or creating personalized content. So these were the topics uh, covered in this generative AI course. Now the thing is from where to learn generative AI. So there are many online and offline both platforms. First we'll talk about online platforms. So the first online platform is Coursera. Maybe you all have heard. So courses like deep learning, AI's generative AIs with LLMs are these. The second online platform is EDX. In this, AI focused programs from top universities are there. The third is Udemy. In this, you'll get affordable courses with hand on projects. The fourth or fifth one is Kaggle. In this, free tutorials with data sets to practice are there. Now, university programs. Many universities now offer specialized AI certifications or degrees focusing on generative AI, as you all may be knowing. The third is workshops and boot camps, which are kept. So, in that, you'll learn short term, intensive programs aimed at practical learning. The fourth one is company specific resources. And there's platforms like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Google offer free or paid training sessions. Depends. They can offer free also, they can offer paid courses also. So, paid courses are also affordable for middle class like us. Now we'll see what are the prerequisites. So basic programming skills, familiarity with Python, mathematical foundations, knowledge of linear algebra, calculus, and probability, as we have learned in maths in our schools. Now, understanding of machine learning, prior exposure to algorithm and ML workflows is helpful. Now we'll talk about the career opportunities of doing these courses. So the after completing a generative AI course, you can explore roles like AI, of course, artificial intelligence, and many are there. Artificial intelligence is a main word for that. So I think I have covered many of the things in this. We have learned the basics. What are the basics? We have also learned what are the things to learn in this, the topics. We covered all that. We also learned the online and offline platforms, and we learned the career opportunities also. So I think we basically covered everything. Now, we as we covered these things, you all can also ask me whatever doubts you'll have. Like if anything I missed out, you can obviously comment me and ask me all the questions. I'll make sure that I'll answer all the questions of that. So, thank you, and please like and follow my channel. Uh, ID will be on my YouTube page. You can subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. I'll make sure to bring many of these. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.